Good morning, children. Good morning, class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and you all are staying at home. You are not moving out just because of this disaster. Beta, stay at home, stay safe. So, now we will proceed to our today's English lesson. Today we are going to start our second lesson or second story of our syllabus. The name of the story is Nani's Walk to the Park. Today in this video we will describe or we will share only the first half of the story. First, that means the first part of the story. The story is about a grandmother, Nani, and her grandchild Venki. So, two main characters are there in this story. They are Nani as well as Venki. Before you read, I will ask you something. Do you go to the park near to your house to play? Children, do you go the nearby park which resides near to your house for playing there? What all you do there? What all you see there? Children, what do you find there? Let us read about Venki and his Nani and their walk to the park. What we get, children, normally in the park? Lots of trees are there, lots of greeneries are there, certain swings and playing elements are also there. We go, we sit over there. Certain seats are also make over there. We take rest, we sit over there, we play, we jump or we play on the swing in the park and we enjoy the cold breeze inside the park also. So children, now we will reach or we will get inside the proper story. Nani. Who is Nani? Nani is maternal grandmother. Means your mother's mother. Lane. What is the meaning of lane? Lane means road or street which passes through nearby to your locality. Treasures. Treasures mean valuable things. Those things which we want to preserve or which things we want to keep very carefully for future use. Once a week Nani goes to the park. Means one day in a week Nani goes to the park. Today Venki wants to go with her. Means today is the day Nani will go to the park. And her grandchild Venki also wants to go with her. Then Nani said, I walk slowly and I take my time getting there. Means Nani will take her own time to reach over there. Means Nani have lots of work on the way to the park, so she will take her own way to reach over there. After listening that, Venki is saying, I don't mind. So, Nani picks up her shopping bag and Venki is accompanying with her. Both of them started to cross the road. Venki said, "But Nani, the park is that way." Means whichever the way is the park, Nani is following some otherwise way. That's why the query came inside the Venki's mind, why Nani is following other way to go to the park. See the Indian traditional road, buildings and the trees blooming with beautiful flowers, and many people are walking on the road. This is the Indian traditional road or Indian traditional housing system. Look children very properly to the figure. Now I will go to the next point or next page. Nani is saying, "We will go this way, through the lane of treasures." That means Nani said, "We will go through the lane of treasures." Now the point is coming within our mind. What is lane of treasures? Actually, the lane of treasures is a marketplace. What a wonderful name for the market. That market which Nani gave the name as lane of treasure, the shops there sell everything. See children, this is the image of the lane of treasures. See, many shops are there. Many people are across the road. Some people are buying the things and some people are selling those things. So, this is the image of lane of treasures. Actually, the lane of treasure is a marketplace. So, children, I am moving to the next page now. In the lane of treasure, when Nani finishes shopping, Venki points to a gate and asks, "Shall we take a shortcut, Nani?" Means after finishing the shopping, Venki shows a gate to the Nani and asks to Nani, "Shall we take a shortcut, Nani?" Means if we follow this way, we will be at the park in no time. Means if we follow the shortcut road, within a moment we will reach to the park. Nani says, "No, we will go through the lane of beauty." That means now Nani and Venki will follow the lane of beauty to reach the park. Now children, the thing or the question is coming your mind, what is lane of beauty? When Nani finishes shopping, in the lane, so now Nani and Venki are following the lane of beauty. So within our mind, the point is coming, what is there in the lane of beauty? In the lane of beauty, people stitches amazing gadhis. Gadhi is a new word for you. Gadhis. What are gadhis? Gadhis are handmade Indian traditional quilt which is made up with old soft cotton clothes. A lady gave Nani a gadhi in which Venki sees a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of his ma's kurta. That means when Venki found the gadhi, he has seen within the gadhi a favorite piece of sari is there and a bit of his mother kurta is also there in the gadhi. Gadhi. What is the meaning of gadhi? A traditional hand-stitched quilt made of recycled material, usually soft old cotton saris. After taking or after handing over the gadhi from the shopkeeper to Nani, now Venki asked, "Shall I go to the park now?" Nani said, "Yes, we will take the lane of happiness." Means we will go to the park by following the lane of happiness. So normally the question is coming in our mind, what is there in the lane of happiness? In the lane of happiness or after reaching the lane of happiness, Nani started saying, "Come, come." Nani calls softly and Venki laughs at dogs and cats tumbles out from everywhere. That means in the lane of happiness, when Nani is saying "come, come," then from everywhere cats and dogs are tumbling and coming out. Nani pours the milk she bought at the market, and when the cats and dogs came out, Nani poured the milk what she bought from the market. Now Nani and Venki started observing that how the animals are licking their bowls to make the bowls clean. That means whatever milk is poured by Nani to the cats and dogs of the lane of happiness, they licked the whole milk and cleaned the bowl very nicely. So Venki loved the lane of happiness so much. Now Venki does not want to leave the lane of happiness, but Nani reminds him that They are on their way to the park because Venki started loving those animals, those cats and dogs so much. That's why Venki did not want to leave the lane. But Nani reminds him that they are on the way to the park. Next, Nani and Venki walked through a lane behind the little school. Then, after moving out of the lane of happiness, Nani and Venki follow a lane. The lane is just behind a little school, and the children are playing Langdi, Lagori and Shakli over there. So children, this is the portion of our description only for today. Next day, I will describe you the next and the last part of the story. Okay children, go through the video, visualize it, listen it very properly. If you are facing any query, when we will have our online class, ask me the query. I will try to solve your query. So children, till then, goodbye. Stay properly, stay safe, stay at home beta. Bye.